How to reset or recover your Outlook password. Hello, everybody. If you are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up this step. So, for that, when you head over to your Outlook account first, you may just go ahead and locate up the account of which you would like to reset the password. So, just go ahead and locate up that account. The thing you need to do in order to recover your password is not use the Outlook account. The website or the application of Outlook, and directly head over to our website, which is account.microsoft.com, and access your Microsoft account, the one you used in order to create up your Outlook account. Now, once that is done, you will be finding this interface. Now, locate up your profile at the top right, open it up, and then once you open it up, go over to My Profile and open up your profile settings. Just wait for this to open up completely. And then once that is done, from your account, you may scroll down and look for this option of security. Drop it down. And then once you drop it down, you should be finding some options for security. You can look out for this option of additional security options. Tap on it and open up your additional security options. And once you open it up, on the very first option at the very top, you should be finding a change password option. So just go ahead and look at that up and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you can just go ahead and enter up a new password, confirm the new password, and save the changes. And that is how you basically do it. So this is how you can do it and recover your account or reset your password of your Microsoft, your Outlook account. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.